Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at 3 different kinds of portable camp tables. This is not a paid promotion. We purchased these items ourselves. We'll put product links down in the description. The center and far right camp table are made of aluminum. This one is made of steel and has a steel mesh top. Let me show you how they go together. We've had the 2 aluminum tables for a very long time. So long that I'm not even sure that the brand and model are still available, but the links we put in the description will be to very similar styles. This little table with the steel mesh top is a new addition. In many ways, these tables are very similar. They are all light and they are all very portable. They take up minimal room. There's a reason I'm standing over here near the black table, and that's because the aluminum tables have a great deal of reflection, and this is noticeable anytime you're using them out in the sunshine. If you're not under any kind of cover, they're very bright. These are very good tables and we will continue to use them. The only negatives I have for them, because they only attach at the corners, they are loose on the center, and so if you bump them at all, they're just a bit noisy. The only other thing about the tabletops is regarding the slats. There may be times when you don't want to have that little space in between the table surface. When the little square table is assembled, it is incredibly sturdy. The slats do not move side to side. The slats do move on the larger table. The larger of the aluminum tables also goes together very easily on both. The way that the slats of the tabletop are held together is by an elastic cord that goes through the ends of each side of the slats. As for the steel mesh top table, it is slightly narrower than the aluminum ones. My only negative regarding it is, of course, it's still new, but it has a little bit of a bow up in the center where the two halves unfold and hinge together. But once you put anything on it, then that shouldn't be an issue. It should relax also over time. Another interesting thing is it is much slicker than the aluminum table. So if you're not level, things will tend to slide off, whereas on the aluminum table, it doesn't slide. Some of the reasons I got the steel mesh table is I wanted something that I thought would be a little quicker, easier to put together. When putting them together for the video, it didn't seem to be all that much faster, especially since you have to screw the legs into place. Nice things about it are it's not noisy. It doesn't make any noise at all. They are all super light. This one is easy to pick up. The others are too, as long as you pick them up at the legs. And you certainly don't want to pick this one up in the center because it will do that. Another reason I like it is the little side tables. They're actually like little trays because they have a lip all the way around. And that would be nice to keep things from sliding off. So that would be great. Another thing that I didn't realize it came with, and I'm not sure how much we'll use, is the mesh shelf that's underneath it. It has some flex to it, has some give. It would hold, I would say, lighter things. You wouldn't want to put anything of any weight in it. Another thing that's nice is the little pockets that come attached to the little mesh that's under the table. That would be great for holding anything that's relatively tall and slender. Other cool features about it, if you don't want to use the side trays, they're easy enough just to fold down. I like the little table. It's plenty sturdy. The amount of weight they say that it will support is 120 pounds. I think that might be pushing it. I wouldn't want to put a whole lot of weight on it. I like all three. I'm going to enjoy, I think, using this one. I like that it folds up flat as opposed to more tubular. And we'll see over time how the little steel table holds up as opposed to the aluminum ones, because the aluminum ones have lasted a good long time. Let's compare the tire table that we reviewed in a previous video with the folding mesh top table. The tire table is made of heavier steel, has a powder coat finish, and weighs 12.6 pounds, which is just 1.6 pounds more than the folding mesh top table. When comparing their packed sizes, the folding table is considerably smaller. When unfolded for use, the folding table has a vastly larger surface area than the tire table. The supported weight of each, as noted by their manufacturer, is 50 pounds for the tire table and 120 pounds for the folding table. The tire table has a more sturdy feel and is made of heavier weight materials. It should easily support the 50 pounds and appears to be more durable. Down in the comments, let us know what you think. We'll put product links down in the description. And thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.